this is my 30-acre field. Corn's looking real good, have a nice stand, turned out really well. This is the day before the 4th of July. It's knee-high in a couple places, but it's just short of knee-high, but we're looking good. We'll be broadcasting nitrogen on in the next week or two and give it that boost, but field's looking really good. Not too much weeds in this. I sprayed it right after planting. It's another look from a different point in my field. Looking good. All right, this is the larger field of one of my lease properties. Of the 3, there's 2 in back. Corn's coming up good, it's good rows. There's a little bit, I didn't spray as heavy as I should have, so there's a little bit of weeds mixed in here, but the corn's coming up good. It's all about to get top dressed with nitrogen. And then here's the back field. There's a couple you can see like right here, and there's 2 rows on each side that are missing. The planter stopped planting 1 row and figured out that the row wasn't planting and found the problem and got it addressed, but there's a couple rows back here missing, but we can live with that. It's looking good overall. And then this is the small hidden backfield. Next to this tree line, it doesn't do too well. I mean, there's corn coming up, but not very well. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. I'm guessing from the shade from the trees, but who knows. Corn's doing good over here in this lease field also. This is about 4 or 5 acres. Same thing, I didn't spray it at a high enough rate, so there is a little bit more weeds in here, but the rows are coming in good and thick. So other than weed control, this field's doing pretty well.